I swear, bend that corner. Whoa. Let me test my audio real quick. We're gonna be implementing a full stack application from scratch, no AI, back like it was 2022 again. This is gonna be a tough feat. I'm so used to using some AI, but hopefully we can get it done so I can go to sleep for work. Let me just quickly test my audio. No GPTing anything. No GPT. Yo, Paul, what's good? What the heck's going on here? Why is my chat not working? Give me a sec. Paul's a legend. No Googling? No way I can't not Google. Maybe I'll just use the chat. Yo, let me fix this. The audio is tweaked. Yo, how's the audio? Yo, Farzan, congratulations, man. Are you taking it over Salesforce or what? Nah. Why? You don't want to live in New York, huh? Yeah, I like SF, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, I like SF. Let's see. They're saying don't Google either? Yo, Paul's a legend, dropping a comment on all my stuff too. Let's see what else is going on here. Gonna have the chat right here. Alright, full stack app. Let's see what everyone's saying. Squid came in. All the legends back in the chat. Okay, let's implement this thing. Full stack application. No GPT. I think Alpha suggested it from my last video, because he saw my last video and he's pretty much like where I built a full stack app in Cursor in less than 15 minutes. So I'm gonna take on the same challenge and see how long it's gonna take with no Cursor. I don't really use Cursor too much though, but yo, how's the audio saying? No, I don't have auth. Maybe I'll do that at a different one. How's the audio though? Audio is good? Let's get implementing. Alright, okay, let's get implementing. So we're gonna create a front end. We'll create a back end. Let's just start with the front end first, just to get everything working there. And then from there, once we get the front end working, we'll implement the back end. So I'm gonna have this there, just in case. Then we're gonna switch between Cursor. Let's get a simple front end. What am I using here? I mean, I'm using... Okay, let me get off Cursor here. Let's see. It depends. Usually... It depends on how I'm feeling. Honestly, in my last company, we had like a big mono repo where all the code for both the front end and back end were in the same repo. So if I'm gonna push a feature, I hook the whole thing up in one go. People get annoyed it's a big ass PR, but like to move fast, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, and just annotate the crap out of it on the thing, on the PR. Okay, let me get off. Do I enjoy front end or back end more? I don't know. Honestly, I enjoy both equally. Okay, I'm gonna get off Cursor because I don't want no AI assistance. Yo, CFA in the building. Dude. I'm just building. Here, I'm gonna build. I'll show y'all what I did. where is this? Essentially, this is the challenge I'm doing. So I built a full stack app using Cursor in 15 minutes. And then Alpha literally said this: next time someone make this with no AI. Or like next time do it with no AI. Go to the point. So this is I should have like mentioned this earlier, but this is the challenge I'm taking on. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna build this same exact app that was built here in 15 minutes using no AI. So it's a pretty simple app. There's a to-do list, and then you do you add and you delete. But we'll hook it up to the backend as well. We'll do the backend using JavaScript. So this is a simple app, and then we'll try to add a light mode and a dark mode. Very simple app. Yo, Paul, you got motivated from that alpha code talking about it, huh? Playing poker. Yeah, yo, we should actually run it to do full stack no AI. Okay, I'm gonna build this full stack app no AI. VS Code, no more cursor. Okay, let me write some things here. So I think first thing we're gonna do. Yeah, well that's with cursor. I can't beat that for sure. And plus I'm taking my time because I want to hang out with y'all tonight. So what are we gonna do right here? We're gonna let me get up my. So what we're gonna do is, what are the technologies we're gonna use? Let me zoom this in a bit. I think we're gonna use Vite instead of create React app. We're just gonna use simple React and maybe just Tailwind CSS. We're gonna do basic. Gonna build this is a stack for a basic stack, front-end stack for a basic front end. And I think for the back end, I want to build it in Express because my friend who's interviewing. So backend, we're gonna build the backend using backend. We're gonna use what are we thinking? Express, Node.js. We're gonna be allowed to Google. We're gonna build this thing like it's 2022. Damn, really? Why did it take them so long? I'm gonna try warp out next. Why not use Next.js? I think, Ryan, because the thing is, I want to build it the same exact way that Cursor built it here. So I want to build the same thing and see how long it's gonna take. I want to do it in less than 2 hours, hopefully. I don't think it'll take that long. So let's get into the front end. This is the technologies that we're gonna use. Let me know if I'm missing using DB or in memory. In memory, same thing as the other one that I did. Just like a simple in-memory to-do list. So let's open up the terminal. We'll open up 2 terminals. We'll have our front end running here. Then we'll have our back end running here. So I actually never used Vite before, so I'm gonna have to look this up. What is Vite? The next generation front end tooling. Okay, get started. So what is Vite? Vite is a build tool that aims to provide faster and leaner development experiences for modern web projects. It consists of 2 major parts: a dev server Yeah, I'm building it with Node.js. It's gonna feel so funny. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll post a video of me generating this same app in less than 15 minutes. Yo, mod, what's good? Let's see. Let's just look at the CLI. How do I install this thing? I Is DevOps isn't DevOps? I don't know, man. I thought DevOps is already now. I thought that was a buzzword like 3 years ago. Okay, get started. How do I get access to Vite? Okay, I'll just use npm. Okay, do I have to npm install Vite? npx. Yeah, let me do this. Let me just do this. Vite. Okay, we're gonna go in the front end. npm install Vite. Oh, the front end I didn't even npm init, initialize it. What's happening? Nico, yeah, just try to build projects, honestly. Oh, there you go. Start that all. Okay, package.json. Shoot. No, I did it in the wrong folder. Need to cd into the backend. Cd into the front end. What are we gonna do? We're gonna do npm initialize the npm package. Accept all the defaults, and then npm install Vite. Nice. That's our first package. Manual installation. Okay, now how do I use this thing? I never used Vite before. I just straight up used Create React App. Yo, Nico, just straight try to build it. Like, I get bored watching tutorials too, honestly. Like, tutorials are pretty boring. Okay. Guide, scaffolding your first project. Okay, we're gonna run this, and then we're gonna follow the prompts. Okay, I'll run this right now. I mean, that's already installed. Project name. I'm gonna say to do. Select the framework. Oh, this is cool. I'm gonna go with React. Just regular JavaScript. Nice. Is that it? To do app. Oh, it already. Okay, I'm gonna bring this out. Do gap years matter after graduation? Like, if you took a year or not, but made a startup or two, maybe freelance work. Yeah, I don't know if gap years matter too much. I think you're fine. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. We're gonna delete this front end now because it's already pretty much there. front end. Okay, how do you start this thing? No, I'm not gonna set up linters or anything. So let's just run this npm run dev. npm dev. Wait, let's see. Okay, what did it build? Okay, very basic React app. Why does npm run dev not work? Wait, missing script. It's right there. Oh yeah, you're right. Wait, see npm. I thought it did that already. Wait. Vim. It's in there. What is it talking about? Vite. Okay, Okay, how do I start this thing? npm build. What does it mean? Oh, do I have to install Vite? I thought I did already. That's so weird. I thought I installed it already. Wait. Why would Vite not install itself? I mean, it's there. What is it saying? What the? Vite didn't... What the heck? It's so annoying. Nice. Do I use LLMs? I just started using it a lot more. I didn't really before. So let's just start deleting some stuff. Well, I kind of like this theme. What we got here? I kind of like this theme. So let's go count. What's the app.css? Index. Should we leave this? Yeah, let's leave this. What do you mean desk setup? You want a full desk setup? Oh, bro, my desk is not even nice, man. My desk doesn't have anything. I just have like a few monitors. Okay, let's see what we're building. We're building a simple to-do list like this. I go into the office 3 days a week, pretty much. I go 5 days actually. Do this. So we're gonna build this simple to-do list. Yes, sir. Because I couldn't stream this weekend because I had my friend who just moved here. He just moved to SF, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a simple h1 to do list, right? Then we're gonna have an input. What is the input? What is the input gonna have? type equals text. What are we gonna have? And then we're gonna have the different elements. We're gonna have our button, add. We'll probably encapsulate this in some form or something. See what we have so far. Nice, it's already looking the same. It's already looking not bad. Right, it's already looking not bad. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use state. We're gonna say text field, input field, set input field, start it off empty, put value, input field, on change, set input field, dot value. I'll probably have to Google this at some point, but wait, controlled component, controlled component in React. Let's build out this form proper. Input text name. Wait, how did I turn this into dark mode? It's messing up the chat. Whatever. Bro, we have to, we got to get away from controlled components. There's control. Okay, we're going to turn this into a form. And we're going to say input ref. Yeah, I like this. I like this. I like this. Why is that uncontrolled? Where's the control? I want controlled. Yeah, we're gonna wrap it in the form for sure. We're gonna copy some of this code. This is literally what I would do if I was back in 2022 before GPT. I would actually have to look at the website. Yo, Ruben, what's good? I actually still prefer this way. It honestly feels a bit better. Okay, what am I gonna do here? Trying to submit on E. Okay. What's happening here? On change. What's complaining about? I'm closing that out properly. What is it talking about? Okay, wait. Input field. Set input field. Wait, let's see. What is it complaining about? That's a basic. Oh, sorry. E.target.value. Is it looked down upon? Nah. They'll try to make you use that these days. Perfect. It's better to use GPT. So now we have a little controlled component. We're gonna wrap it in a form like Alpha does in his videos. I think that's the proper way to do it. Wrap it in a form. Const handle submit. This is what we're gonna make our API call right here, but make API API call. So we have a type text input field there. How's this looking? Nice. Handle submit. Let's see if it hits this. Nice. So what we're gonna do is so now let's like build our state for like our to-do list. Okay, I think that's the basic front end. Yeah, let's create a state for our to-do items. And what we're gonna do is for each items, this is the form. What we're gonna do is, yeah, probably put this in this. Yeah, for real. Oh, I don't have my linter, it's annoying. Or my auto formatter. Form. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna create some to-do items. So we're gonna create a to-do item. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do items.map. And for each items.map, what we're gonna do is for each item in our to-do list, we're gonna create a do undefined for now. Let's create our little to-do item real quick. So let's do put this. We're gonna go like const to do item equals component like this. It's gonna be a very basic item where it's given some props, but essentially what we're gonna do is just return what we're gonna we'll just store it in a div. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna do what is this thing supposed to look like? It's supposed to look like this, but we'll format that in a second. Is there input of a checkbox? Type equals checkbox. Yeah, checkbox. We'll have a type checkbox, then we'll have a p, and then we'll have a button for delete. Right? Import React. You don't have to import React no more. You don't have to go like this. I thought you had to do that for every single. I thought that's just like best practice. React is a paragraph. So do import to do item. We say to do item equals item like this. Can we spread it in there? What's complaining about? Okay. Do I think LLMs make me? Yo, Kanye East, what's good? The backend is gonna be written in Express, Node.js. Express as my framework. Nah, I don't really use Vim commands. If anyone wants to teach me, I'm down. So let's go to do items. Hello. Or let's make it let's make it a list of objects. Text. Groceries. We'll do this. Text. Is working now? What's happening? Let's look at the chat. Yeah, we use GPT a lot. Honestly, not too much. I don't go crazy on GPT though. I just use it when I need it. If I could figure it out faster than using GPT, then I'll just do that. But I'm trying to make sure I leverage GPT way more. Let's go in here. To do item is not defined. I mean to do item. Oh. Nice. Now I just need to style it a bit. So to do item dot. So we'll just do a bit of styling. So we'll do. If your source files end in JS, I think it's best practice to make them JS. If they contain React code, put JSX in there. Yeah, I think Express is pretty common in the startup industry. Oh my god, I wish I had my linter for free. It's all good. Class name. To do container. Do container. We'll hop in our to-do container and we'll say display equals flex. Sorry, fix my audio. Yo, do y'all like Drake or Kendrick? Who y'all running with? Output. Input. Cause that new Drake album slaps with PND. Flex. Yeah, that new Drake album slaps. Import. What's K-pop? Yo, Vite is really fast. I actually really enjoy Vite. From what I've seen. I need to learn more about the documentation. I'll probably like go and read it after this. What the heck is this? Dude, what the hell's going on? Did it get hit with the right stuff? Okay, to do container. What do you mean twice? Border. Is this working? Yo, I use this Flexbox cheat sheet. Wait, where's the... Oh, I didn't even specify the class name. Wait. There you go, there you go, there you go. Display flags. What is it saying now? Target class JavaScript. Or target class. Or yeah, class selector. Yeah. Who's canceling it out? Oh, there you go. Display flex. Let me... Then we'll do, what do we do? Don't worry, I'll shrink it, I'll shrink it. Margin left, margin right. Nice. Don't worry, I'm gonna style it in a second. Give me a sec. Now I just need to change the container. It's gonna look ugly, but let's see. Oh no, wrong one. Nice. Let's just do margin all around 5 pixels. And like let's align the items. Flex direction. Line items. Center the items. Looks a bit better. Let's do justify content. Center justify content, center it as well. Cool. Now let's add a few of these things. Or let's do, what color? Color picker. We'll do like dark black here. Okay, it's a bit ugly, but what we're gonna do is black content, border color, white, border width, like 1 pixel. Then we'll say between these, we'll add a margin here of like 5 pixels as well. So now these are starting to push. And then, what we do here, to-do list. See what we're looking at. The input and the button need to be a little bit further from each other. So what we're gonna do is submit button, target this, submit button. I'll put a margin left, 5 pixels as well. What's app lovin'? That sounds hilarious. The name. Sounds like McLovin. There you go. Class name. What do they do? Right. Awesome guy, what's good? How do you do this? Into input. What happens if we like raise this to 50 pixels? Okay. 40. 30. 35. 30. 30 is not bad. 30 is not bad. Yo, Alpha, good luck, man. I was just on call. It was rough. It was rough. Day 1 had a P0. You already handle it or what? We should probably justify content to the left. Or let's do space between. Space between. Space between. Justify content space between. How does that look now? How does that look now? Perfect. Not bad. It's looking a little bit like a little bit closer to what we wanted, right? Just got like 20 people on the call to handle it. Nice, respect. Okay, what did the full stack app we look like wanted? You want the delete to be red? Oh yeah, you're right. And we need to make it a lot more dynamic. But I think what we have here is, I'm gonna like fix the styling in a second. But yeah, let's do to do delete. I'm gonna make the styling a lot nicer. But let's hook up the backend to do delete. Background color red. We're still using autocomplete out here. We're about to build the server right like next. Perfect. Okay, what do we have here? To do class name, to do text. It's looking a bit better. We're gonna make this more dynamic too. At some point. Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. We need to probably keep that as controlled state. Let's see. So these are to-do items. So to-do items, let's go like this. CPU, what's good? We're gonna make the API call here. How are we gonna structure our JSON here? We're probably gonna do like actually the each JSON is probably gonna have an ID, UUID in the DB. Probably has some text, and then we'll have like is selected or is complete. Boolean string. Yeah, I think we could just do a flag here. So let's do this. Should I put my Vim bindings in VS Code? That's what everyone's telling me to do. Or just keep doing what I'm doing. Am I slow or what? Do item no, I haven't tried. Oh, you're right. I forgot about that. Oh, I forgot about that. Yo, this is why I got you on the chat, man. You're right. But it's... Let's see. Yeah, y'all are right. Yo, this is why I have you on the chat. Okay. We're gonna have a to-do text complete. We'll do a strike through. Yo, I'm gonna be way faster. Text. Complete. Then else. Nice, we got the strike through going. Look, I'm just using straight. Oh, this is using LLM. I can't use that. I mean, Google's Google. We can use Google. What? I had the value there. Oh shoot! I put it on the wrong thing. Ask Jeeves. Yeah. That's what I was saying. The AI overview is the LLM. The heck? Yeah. I'm just gonna use Google. We all know that Google's LLM there sucks. So. What am I do here? Choo. Look, this is back in 2022. We actually had to use MDN like this. Okay, it's checked. There you go. There you go. We'll give these IDs. Cons on check. ID. We'll do. I think you need checkbox, not input. Well, I'm doing an input checkbox. I think that's fine. Yo, Farzan, it's actually clutch. I feel like when you start working, it's gonna. Yeah, honestly, I'm pretty happy I started off at a startup too. But I'm gonna go back. One day. Set to do items. What are we gonna do? Set to do items. We're gonna do items dot map. I work at like a later stage startup. But it's still a startup, but it's way more later stage. But you definitely still learn a lot. But the early stage startup grind is different. Change. Yeah, I do full stack. Is there something called on check? On check? What do you do? On check, or we'll go like this. On check e dot target dot value. what's a high IQ? What does the IQ range go up to? IDs on. Oh, okay. All we need to do is pass in the ID here, and then we'll do ID. Do this. ID2, perfect. And then all we need to do is set to do items.map. Item. We'll do it ID. If the item dot ID, I'll just drop the item. Then we'll do dot spread that item, but we'll take the is complete equals not is complete. Like, we'll flip this. If the ID is equal to the current ID. Let me know if that's hacky or something. What? Yo, Shabaj, what's good? It's complete. Try it out. Is it even working as expected? Okay, we'll do. Shabazz, legend. Appreciate you, bro. You're so funny, man. You're a character, bro. Okay, this is working properly. Shabazz, you're streaming and stuff too, right? You're doing streams. I gotta join your stream, and you gotta enable those supers too, so I could send you some. Yo, look at this. It's actually nice. Yeah. Start going off. Start posting way more. Okay, now we got our to-do list. It looks close enough to this. I think we just need to improve the margins on the to-do item. To-do container. To-do container. Oh, sorry. This is supposed to be. I need some padding. Left. Well, let's just do full padding of around like 15 pixels. This is looking nice. Honestly, this is way funner. This is way funner than the LLM. Or doing it with an LLM. Or without the LLM. Yeah, no DB. I mean, we could build it with a DB or something. Okay. If y'all want, we can take it further than the LLM. We can put like a Docker container. Yeah, we can spin up like a Docker container for like Postgres or something, and then actually write to a DB, but okay. Yo, now we got the front end working. Holy crap. How long did that take to get the front end working? One hour? Oh, I'm cooked. And it doesn't even like it. So this is what I had there. Let me turn my add button blue here. App. Text. Oh, what the heck? Nice. Holy crap. Darsha, sure. I got you. I got you. I never actually did any videos on those patterns. Okay, let's move on to the back end. Holy crap. That was actually crazy. That took forever. 1 hour. Cores error. Don't worry. I'm an expert on cores, man. I'm not gonna get folded to cores. Yeah, all the way from scratch. Let me just check my phone. Like I came out with a blank text editor. This is so funny. This is a funny challenge. Yo guys, I was actually using I'll show you one thing that I was also working on too. Oh shoot. I was working on like expanding the lead rooms. Wait, cursor. So I was using cursor to learn the lead rooms code base. So I was actually understanding how they like do the leaderboards and stuff. So I pulled the lead rooms extension. Yo, Raccoon, what's good? I pulled the lead rooms extension, and then I was like using cursor to learn the code base faster, and it was actually pretty fast. It was showing me like all the different Chrome extension APIs and stuff. So if y'all want to learn how to build a Chrome extension, literally just look up lead rooms, and figure out how it works. I think it's pretty good. It's a pretty good Chrome extension. I'm gonna be adding features to lead rooms. I'm gonna try to contribute to it. I want to add a feature so that we can like just let me know what features y'all want, and we should like commit to lead rooms if they let us. Raccoon, you're so funny. Lead rooms is how we can do challenges and stuff. Have I used Copilot on GitHub.com? No, I just GitHub.com or inside VS Code. I use Cursor for that. So you can go into Cursor. So you can go to Cursor here and go. Yeah, they let you. You can like index it. Cursor indexed. They just started cursor index. Where is this? Profile settings. There's something here. Cursor settings. Models. Features. Oh, right here. I haven't tried Bolt, but I'm gonna try Bolt. I'm gonna try Windsurf. But you can see you can index the whole code base, and then you could ask questions against it. So I'm literally asking basic stuff like, can you tell me how submissions are broadcasted to other people in the same room? if you're familiar with lead rooms, when you submit, it broadcasts to everyone and tells everyone who won. So I asked it that, and it could like figure out the context and give me pointers to the code. Alpha, is this similar to what you're talking about for GPT? Like it's giving me code pointers, or is this better? Is cursor better or what? Like, what do you think? What are you seeing? Let's see, gonna reply real quick. Yeah, honestly, I suck at using them too, but I really need to make sure I learn how to use this AI stuff. I can't fall behind. Yeah, that's why I want to do more videos where I build stuff in cursor, because I want to get really fast at cursor. Nice. That's sick. Oh, Java backend is rough. I did Java in like my internships. So we're gonna use Express. Who here uses Express? In Node.js. I might have to specify this as a module. Hyper Ultimate, what's up? Are you subscribed? Are you subbed? Just sub and turn on the notifications. I'm just kidding. Honestly, I just like making videos. I mostly make my videos just so I can get better. How do we do this? Is Express outdated now or what? That makes sense, man. That makes a lot of sense what you're saying, Express. npm install Express. How are we going to structure this? Source index.js. Import Express from Express. You want me to write this in TypeScript? Are you crazy? I mean, I'm down. Yeah. Yeah, you can use TypeScript with Express. Let's do dev node sort. How do we run this backend? Node source index. Yeah. Dude, Vite is so clutch. It built all these commands for me, and I didn't have to think about it. And now all of a sudden, I have to think about it. Let's do simple curl command. Yo, Farzan. See you, man. Thanks for joining in. Oh, yo, tomorrow I have a video where I'm going to be doing a mathematical proof on a leak code algorithm. It's going to be sick. I'll show y'all. I got a good vid coming on tomorrow. I have this video where I do a mathematical proof on a leak code question. Like I do a proof of correctness. I can do induction too. This one's simple. This one's not even really induction. I didn't have to use induction. But I bring out some of the discrete mathematics, basics, 2K. Yo, this one's gonna slap. Yeah, it's gonna be sick. I think you need the basics at least. Yo, Alpha, I heard you're taking Paul under your wing for poker. Woo! It's working. Okay. We're gonna do const to do items. Right. Yeah. So we'll do get, post. We'll do the simple REST endpoints. Get to do items, post. So these are the REST endpoints. Put update. Delete. What is this? What are the different delete? Is it patch? Some tofu salmon. That sounds terrible. To do requests. Dude, I don't like tofu, man. I actually don't like tofu. For me, I feel like the main thing I don't like about it is the freaking texture. Okay, we can build a simple REST endpoint. Do push. We'll have like an auto incrementing here. We'll start at 1 and we'll auto increment it here. Dude, this thing is hacky. ID. Text. Oh, we're gonna have to put some middleware to parse out the JSON body. You're right. Who suggested that? Text is complete. Body parser middleware. Yo, y'all are going crazy. Okay, write all this stuff down because I need to. I'll actually do some of that probably in a different video. But like Zod, what else did y'all want me to add? We'll make this thing. We'll do a lot of stuff to this. Haha, you can play CFA heads up. You think he'll slap the CFA up? That'd be funny. Do you think math is important for CS? Yeah, math is pretty important. But you don't have to go too crazy. Okay, I'll add TypeScript. Oh yeah, JSON. Okay, I think we have to use this body parser middleware. Do you think a Series A startup is worth applying for? Yeah, apply for it. It depends on what you want out of your career. I think Series A startups are really good to join for fast learning. Maybe yes, I think Series A is a good spot. They might have you working like crazy, but I feel like it's gonna be good. The tech stack, I'll show you real quick. Tech stack, front end Vite, React, Tailwind CSS. Honestly, I'm not even using any Tailwind CSS features. But then Express Backend and Node.js. Yeah, honestly, from what I saw, the early stage Series A companies, it's definitely like, even if you do well in the interview, if they don't like you, then they won't go with you. Codex, what's up? All the OGs back. Import. How do I use body parser? Yeah. This is exactly what I want to do right here. Body parser. I'm good, man. Console. .log. Request. Okay, let's hook up the front end now. See, the nice thing about having this mono repo is I can just put both up here like this. Let's do source. Murtizy, what's good? Yo, we're taking it back to 2022. No GPT. It's actually more fun, but it's taking me way longer. Because if you saw my last video, it took me 15 minutes to build this app with cursor. And now, what is it? Been an hour so far? I'm probably going a little slower than the usual. The stack is pretty much Vite, React, Tailwind CSS. Then on the backend, Express and Node.js. I have a friend interviewing with this stack. So I just wanted to make a video so you can kind of understand it. What stack do y'all like prefer? No, I'm not using database right now. Yo, what's up? That's crazy. What time is it over there? Okay, what was I gonna do? I'm gonna make the API call. How do we make API call in React again? Oh, I need to try Golang. What are we gonna use? Fetch API? Okay, let's move this to the back end. So we're gonna move this list to the back end. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Mertizzi, that's sick. To-do items. Mertizzi, what's your schedule like? Do you work 9 to 5? Do you hit the gym? What do you do? Like, how early do you start? I'm building a simple to-do list app. We have to do it on mount. Use effect. We're gonna do async. Yeah, but we're building a full stack to-do list. What we're gonna do is const response equals await fetch. We'll do const base URL. What's our base URL? We'll do a base URL like this, and then we'll do fetch. See how this works. What happened? Are we getting the cores, the famous cores? Start a speed run. How do I remove chat top right? You can't. I put the chat up there on the top right. If you don't like it, I can take it off too. But that's how these streamers do it. I'm just trying to be like those other streamers. Oh, it's a bit big? Okay. in the bottom. Okay, let me put the dev tools in the bottom. I usually just keep it on the right. How do I do that again? How do I throw the dev tools in the bottom? Yeah, you're right. Now this is like some Inception. He's tripping me out. Because I'm not used to it on this side. There's like training a different piece of my brain. Yeah, I would say if you're a beginner, don't GPT it. Do not GPT it if you're a beginner. Are we getting the famous cores issue now? Oh, let's go. Cores. Cores. Let's implement this course properly. No. If you're working a job, GPT it for sure. If you're working on side projects, maybe not. Or it depends. If you already know how to code, GPT it. Or I don't even know. I swear, just GPT everything. I'm literally just doing this because I'm just trying to make it back to 2022. And thanks, man. Appreciate it. App.use cores. I use cores. How do you set it? How do you set the middleware? Yeah, I want to use this. How do you set? What's the different cores? Configuring cores. See if this works. Did it network error again? Okay, response. Nice. Okay, we fixed the cores just like that. Without doing anything too hacky. Dude, I use like a MX, this MX one. I don't know. My friends bought it for me for my birthday. Honestly, I don't really go too crazy on the setup. I don't really look all that stuff up. My friends just buy me stuff to do. Set to do items. They bought me these response. Yeah, you're right. Response. Okay, what's the response here? Response. Body. Return response dot. JSON. Response dot. Text on this response. Let's do like this. Why is it a readable stream? Oh, sorry. I didn't say JSON here. It was on the wrong endpoint. It's annoying. Okay, this is gonna work for sure. Wait, get. Oh, okay. Items. It's more like this to do. Or we'll say it like this. Yo, Mertizzi, do you watch Coding Jesus? That guy's hilarious. Yeah, he's like a quant YouTuber. He's funny. A lot of these people who are on here also watch him. Back. The hell? Oh my god. It's because I wasn't doing dude, I need to install NodeMon. So it refreshes better. Yeah, I wasn't using NodeMon, so it's like when I was making changes, it wasn't returning. That was my issue, I think. Like it wasn't updating. So when we refresh, MP, what's good? It depends. It depends on how crazy your personal project is. Sorry. Go. Dude, what's going on here? API, JavaScript. Oh, you have to call JSON, I think. You have to call JSON on it. Yeah, you have to say response.json. Let's see what this looks like. Why do you have to await this? Finally! Holy crap. The hell? What crashed? Yeah, why is it async? Like, that doesn't even make sense. The API call already finished. Why is that async? I see, you're right. Top level of const let's see. Let's go. Const fetch dues. Maybe we'll do that. Do We're gonna have to make an async function here. Okay, how are we gonna... Okay, should we just pass the set to-dos here? Like that. Holy! I did not know that. I did not know that. Okay, let's just start building out our API endpoints now. Fetch to-dos. Let's just build another API.js. We'll throw all our API calls in this function to keep things modular. Yeah, I would. There's so many details that I didn't realize that I forgot about because I just built this. If you just use GPT, it's crazy. Yeah, I'd already be sleeping for work. Fetch to-dos, update to-dos, delete to-dos. Okay. What are the different endpoints of fetch? Fetch API, JavaScript, post request, post. Bring that base URL over here. Export. God. What's going on? Patch. Delete. Okay, let's do post. Post, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be given a when we create one, what we're gonna do is pass in a, what are we looking for? All we're gonna do is pass in text. So we'll pass in text here when we do body text, or sorry, the text here. Gotta provide method name, body, and headers. Yeah. We're not using any DB because GPT didn't use a DB. So fetch response. Okay, let's see if we get it on the backend portion. Yeah. We still use GPT for requirements gathering. Well, Murtizi, basically what I did this other video where I built a full stack app in Cursor in literally 15 minutes with light and dark mode. So what I'm literally trying to do in this one, I got hit with my own ads. That's crazy. Basically what I'm trying to do in this one is recreate the same app. And it's not going to be as nice and dynamic, honestly. GPT is way better for that. But I want to create the same exact thing. So Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we skipping that for sure. We all got work tomorrow, right? But yo, this is not even my idea. This is Alpha Code's idea. Because basically what he said is I built this thing in 15 minutes, right? So and he's like next time someone try to make this with no AI. So that's what I'm trying to do. I mean, if I did this again, maybe I can. No, I can't never make it faster than that AI. That AI generates code way faster. Riku, not sure. When that will be, but maybe one day for sure. Backend. What the backend do? Let's see if it makes the proper. Let's see if it makes the proper backend API endpoint. Called. What? Oh, okay. I didn't handle the on submit here yet. Fetch to dos, post to dos, post to do. Input field. Set input field and blank it out. Post request. Yeah, like this. Perfect. Copy and paste. Yeah, Rub, I got you. I'm calling it now for sure. What? Oh, it's because it's refreshing. We need to do the default behavior thing. We need to prevent default. So much random things you just need to remember. Prevent default. E. There you go. Post. Nice. 'Let's see. Header. Yeah, bro, I'm still on this. 500 text. Okay. Yo, I was thinking about this a lot, and pretty much our job as software engineers is probably gonna be literally managing like 10, 15 AI agents that are coding for us and just verifying that their output is correct. That's literally what I'm trying to get to in the next year. That's why I'm trying to learn Cursor, because I'm trying to understand how good the AI is working, and I want to start automating a lot of code generation for me. I want to get it so I can like manage like one or two AIs that are working for me, and maybe I just review their code or something. Wait. What? Oh, okay. The hell's going on again? Assignment. Assignment to constant variable. Where? Oh, I'm so dim. There you go. Perfect. After we post to do, we should probably fetch to dos. Interesting, interesting. Okay, the text didn't go through. Um, can you do this? Or just do body. Nice. Hi. It's so slow. Um, let's just return. I'm just gonna return the new item here. And then we could just put the new item inside of our app API. How do you redo? Command Shift D. to-dos, post to-dos. Should we await these or what? Nice. Okay, that part's working. It's like, do you usually, especially working in a startup? It depends. Depends, honestly. I don't mind working on the weekend if I have to. But usually I like to do other stuff. Okay. Let's implement the other endpoints. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do update. So we're gonna do patch. Let's handle the delete. So how are we gonna handle the delete? We're gonna do the same thing when we set the content type. What we're gonna do is body, and we're gonna pass that ID. We're gonna do ID. We're gonna do ID, and what we're gonna do is to do items equals to do items dot filter item such that item dot ID is not equal to the ID. Right. That should filter it out. Import delete to do. On click. Delete to do the ID here. No, I don't know him. Gosh. He's in Doge. What is that? The thing that Elon Musk is getting rid of? Is he the 19-year-old guy? Yo, good night, bro. Oh. Oh, there's an error in the back end. Are we getting API errors? Where did VS Code go? Oh, okay, that's definitely a bug. What the heck? What's... Why is it hitting this every time? Wait, what? Why do when I type in here, it's breakpointing, delete, to-dos. Why is it hitting the breakpoint? Oh, I see, because re-rendering. Okay, I'm actually dim. Okay. There, proper. Proper. Let's see. Let's see. I need to make it refresh every time it does an API call. Yeah, this is how typically I debug. Why is it slow? Okay, I need to just refresh it now. It depends. Murtizi, I used to do that in my old job. It depends on how the code base is set up. Now I just do AI generated development. AI driven development. Delete. This is annoying. What are I doing with the app here? There you go. Laundry. Groceries. You could... we need to delete the laundry. Nice. It's looking good. Yo, in my next stream, maybe we could add unit testing and TypeScript to this thing. Let's talk about what we're gonna do next stream. Zod, sure. If y'all really want it. database. Zod. I don't know if we'll actually do Zod. I don't know if that's any bang for our buck here. I like to work on side projects because it helps me improve. But what else? We're gonna write a database. We're gonna write React testing library. Then we're gonna write playwright test. Okay, what are we gonna do now? To do items on checkbox, on click, on check ID. Let's do import or do patch update to do's ID is complete. Yeah, I'm down. Yeah, yes. I'll do some CI. I'll make the test run in CI/CD. Yeah. That'd be sick. Cause everyone's wondering like, how should I do my next project and stuff, or like they want to know how to build a project. So just do like this ID. To do item. Where is it? To do item. Delete this. Update to do's. What do we do? We'll do text is complete. Yeah, I'd be down. I'll be down. So to do's. Update items. What do we do? Text. Yeah. I can do like basic Terraform or something. ID text or yeah, text. Let's only push this in if it actually exists. If we have a text, I haven't heard of SST, and I barely know Terraform. I usually use serverless framework. There's the serverless framework, which is nice. Let's see. Let's do if. Yeah, don't worry. We'll run through them. If text and that else. Yo, Raccoon, like what year are you in? Yeah. Definitely. I see to do. patch const ID. What are we patching? Text is complete from request dot body. What we'll do is we'll do a filter again, or we'll do a map. If item dot ID is not, if the item ID is not equal to the ID we want to update, we just return the item. Otherwise, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take new item equals, we're gonna take what do you mean by what's the PID? ID or text equals text, or is complete equals like a robot movement controller. Yeah, don't worry about the buzzwords. The buzzwords haven't changed since I started, so I think you're still good. Oh, what happened? What happened? What happened? Oh, the server went down. On check not defined. Makes sense. Oh, it's going crazy. What's going on? Why is it fetching? Why is it fetching like no tomorrow? What the heck? Bro, what the hell? What's going on here? Let's fix this real quick. Is this patch working? ID, delete ID. What is this? Doing the patch? ID. Why was it fetching so much? Spamming the fetch. Going crazy on the fetch. Let's debug that real quick. So we're going crazy on the fetch. What's triggering that fetch? Why is it re-rendering? Why is it re-rendering? Oh really? Wait, let me download this one. The hell? This guy in my apartment screaming top of his lungs. What the heck? Someone's screaming. Yo, that's wild. I'll let that run. I'll increase my volume. Bro, there's some tweaks in my spot, not gonna lie. I'm gonna have to up my rent. What the heck is going on? Sounds serious. Okay, why is the re-renders going nuts? Wait, let me download React Dev Tools. Dude, that guy's tweaking. Holy shit. Something's going down. Nah, I think this is crazy. I might be getting swatted. Holy shit, some shit's going down. Yo, something's going down. Still early too. Hold up. Let's see what's going on. Yo. Yo, what's going on? My bad. Don't worry, I won't mute. Bro, I heard him walk by. Give me a sec. Let me peek out. what's going on? Don't worry, I got this thing. In case somebody pulls up. Let's write some more code. What's happening with these re-renders? Bro, what is going on? That was crazy. Dude, that guy was screaming out the top of his lungs. Bro, that was actually nuts. Okay, where are we? Okay, then we're gonna have. Okay, finally. Let's do. Remove this debugger. Bro, what the heck was that, bro? I'm actually so confused. Wait, let me record the profiler. Bro, that was messed. It's okay. It's okay. It's not really a tweaker zone. But like, I do not know who that was. I wish I peeked out my way. I wish I could peek out the door, see who was tweaking. I don't know. I actually don't know. I don't know what's going on. I didn't look. Oh yeah, you're right. It's a bunch of GET requests, right? It's hitting this. Right, it's hitting this. This is the initiator of the request. When I go like here, it's all GET request. But like, what I'm trying to wonder is why it's re-rendering. Like, it should only do this every time it re-renders. So let's look handle submit. See if it's related to this. See, it's not re-rendering, but when I do the to-do item, something here is causing a re-render to-do type box. This is literally when I would put it into ChatGPT. Yeah, it's true. Items. Teaches you some other stuff like that mathematical proof I'm gonna do later. Oh, I know why. Because I'm not passing the key ID. causing re-renders. I think that's the reason. What? Wait, I hear the guy walking back. I think I heard the guy walk back. What the fuck is going on? Wait, let's see if it works if I do. This is causing a re-render here. Yeah, something's going on here. Items. Oh, okay, because it's... Oh, okay. Oh, I see what's going on. It's because when we fetch from the backend, we're creating new objects. What we need to do is when we fetch to-dos... Hold up, I hear the guy. It's creating new object references, so it's re-rendering. Okay, so how should I do it? How should I trigger fetch to-dos? Okay, I got a hack. Yo, Loki, I think somebody just got beat up in my apartment. Like my neighbor just got his ass kicked. Nah. Bro, Shabaj, how much are you paying in rent? Cause yo, those screens weren't normal. 2,200? No way. I'm moving over there. Yo, hit me up on Discord. I might move to Rincon Hill, actually. Bro, I don't want to deal with none of this stuff. Oh, you're right. Update to-dos. Okay, after I fetch and I delete, I'm gonna update at the same time. And then when I post, something like this. Now I have to just pass set to do items across all my endpoints. Kind of annoying, but gotta do what you gotta do. App. Post to do's. Set to do items. And set input field to do. Update, delete to do's. Yeah, Shabaj, like, but like, how do I tell it to refetch the clients, or the best way? So this is the way I'm thinking of doing it. Bro, where's my linters tweaking? Yeah, I see what you mean. I'll do that in a sec. Set to do items. Set to do items. But it's complaining about unexpected token, line 36. What's going on? What's up? Groceries. Okay, let's go like 1, 2, 3, 4. Delete 2, delete 4. Okay, now what's the update saying? Now the refetches are working. Patch. Text is complete false. Okay, now on the back end. Return res.json. Okay, 1. Why is that not working? Okay, patch ID 1 is complete equals to false. Where do I start? Is complete here. Update to-dos. Okay, let's just debug this right here. Holy crap, this took like 2 hours without GPT. What? Should be true. Dude, that was nuts. Earlier. Oh. Small bugs, holy crap. Yeah. It was all that guy in the hallway. Okay, perfect. One check. If is complete is not equal to what's incomplete true? Incomplete should come in as false here. Update to-dos. So if incomplete comes in as true, we're gonna set this to false. We're gonna send that. Oh, is that even sending to the back end? Why is incomplete true being sent to the back end? Oh, I see. Because we need to parse it as a boolean when we get it back. Sec is replying. Okay, where are we? Now the is complete is not working. But we pass in true. What does the backend receive? Console.log. Oh my god, I have to do this on the backend. Is complete. Bruh. The nice thing is, since it's the same language, you could just do it here. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Nice, backend driven. Yo, Google guy, what's up? Nice. All right, everyone. Full stack app. I think we hit all the functionality we needed. Everything's stored in the back end, and in our next stream, we'll add more functionality to it. In our next stream, we'll do this stuff. Yeah, good luck, man. Dude. That's crazy. Okay, now I gotta go figure out what happened. Yeah, good luck, good luck. Yo, thanks for everyone for joining the stream. I'm gonna get ready for bed. Hopefully I don't get waken up by noises. But that was crazy. Murtizy, don't worry. I got this. I got this. I'm not worried about nothing. If you see, if I have to scrap someone, I'm putting up on YouTube, not gonna lie. Bro, like, go back like 30 minutes. Shabbat, you're a legend, bro. I appreciate you. I'm gonna start donating to your stream when you get on the thing too. But yo, thanks everyone for joining. I gotta keep quiet because it's loud today, or it's quiet hours. But yeah, start making more videos. I'll be watching your stuff. Yo, I'll catch y'all in the next stream.